Hello student, in fifth semester our next subject is CSS client side scripting. The code for of the subject is 22519. Hi, I am Minal Chaudhary. First we see the total marks for this subject. For theory this subject have 100 marks, 70 marks for end semester exam and 30 marks for internal PA, theory PA, which include 2 unit tests and 1 micro project. Unit test 20 marks and micro project 10 marks. Next, for practical, this subject have 50 marks, 25 external practical, that is end semester exam, and 25 internal practical marks. The learning outcome of today's video. First we see what is JavaScript. Then we see feature of JavaScript. Then next we see the application of JavaScript, and at last we see some example of JavaScript. So these are the learning outcome of today's video. So first we see the what is JavaScript. JavaScript is an object-based scripting language which is lightweight and cross-platform. So simple, remember JavaScript is the scripting language. JavaScript is not a compiled language, but it is translated language. The JavaScript translator is responsible for translating the JavaScript code for the web browser, and the translator is already embedded in web browser. JavaScript has no connectivity with Java programming language. The name was suggested and provided in the times when Java gaining popularity in the market. So we study in last semester Java subject, Java programming language, and now we study JavaScript. So the Java programming language and JavaScript is totally different. In addition to web browser, database such as CouchDB and MongoDB use JavaScript as their scripting and query language. So these are the application of JavaScript language. With the JavaScript, user can build modern web application to interact directly without reloading the page every time. The traditional website use JS to provide several form of the interactivity and simplicity. So this is about JavaScript. Simple, when you study JavaScript, you know the all concept of HTML. Next we see features of JavaScript. Many time in examination question is asked for 4 marks. List the or write the features of JavaScript. So we see the features. There are following features of JavaScript. First is all popular web browsers support JavaScript as they provide built-in execution environment. So we use the Chrome, Mozilla and Internet Explorer. That browsers support the JavaScript language. JavaScript follows the syntax and structure of the C programming language, thus it is structured programming language. JavaScript is weakly type language when certain types are implicitly cast and it is depending on the operation. JavaScript is an object-oriented programming language that uses prototype rather than using class for inheritance. So JavaScript also is object-oriented programming language. It is lightweighted and interpreted language. Next feature, it is a case-sensitive language. Simple it meaning is the small letter and capital letter have different meaning. JavaScript is supportable in several operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, etc. So these are the features of JavaScript. Another feature is it provides good control to the user over the web browser. So these are the features of JavaScript. Next, we see application of JavaScript. First application, client side validation, dynamic drop down menu, Next application is displaying date and time. Then next is displaying pop-up window and dialog box like alert dialog box, confirm dialog box, and prompt dialog box. And last application is displaying clocks. So these are the application of JavaScript. We can create system by using JavaScript like client side validation, dynamic drop down menu, or etc. Next we have some MCQs. First question is features of JavaScript. Options are case sensitive language, lightweighted. Third option is interpreted language, and last option is all of this. So these all are the application of features of JavaScript. So answer of this question is all of this. Second question is JavaScript follow the dash of the C programming language. Options are syntax, second option structure, third option both A and B, and last option none of this. So answer of this question is both A and B. JavaScript follow the syntax and structure of C programming language. Next question is JavaScript is not a dash language. Options are translated, second option object based, third option structured programming, and last option compiled. So answer of this question is JavaScript is not a compiled language. Next we see example of JavaScript. JavaScript example is easy to code. JavaScript provides three places to put the JavaScript code. First is within body tag, second one is within header tag, and last one is external JavaScript file. So we can create simple example by three way. We see one by one in next some slide. So simple, I already told when you study JavaScript you must know the all concept of HTML language. So these body tag, HTML tag, head tag, these are the concept in HTML language. Let us create the first JavaScript example. So code for this, we first create script type, text JavaScript, document.write JavaScript, in bracket we pass the one string. JavaScript is a simple language, and script tag is close. In above example, the script tag specify that we are using JavaScript. Next, the text slash JavaScript is the content type that provide the information to the browser about the data. And last one, the document.write, it is one function is used to display dynamic content through JavaScript. We will learn about document object in detail later. So the output of this code is displayed like this. One web browser is display, and inside one web browser JavaScript is simple language, this string is display, which is passed in document.write here. So this is simple example of JavaScript. Next we see first way JavaScript example, code between the body tag. In the last example we have displayed the dynamic code using JavaScript. Let us see the simple example of JavaScript that display alert dialog box. So code for this, first we define HTML, then body, inside body tag we create script tag. First we define type, then we create one alert box by method alert, and in alert we pass the hello Java T point. Then we close the script tag, then close body tag, and then we last close HTML tag. So output of this display like this. One web browser is display, and inside web browser one alert box is display, which with string hello Java T point. Then we see second way to create JavaScript example, code between the head tag. Let us see the same example of displaying alert dialog box of JavaScript that is contained inside the head tag. In this example we are creating function message To create function in JavaScript, you need to write function with function name as given below. To call function, you need to work on event. Here we are using onClick event to call message function. So code for the example is, first we create HTML tag, then we define head tag, then inside head tag we define script tag, then we create one function message. Inside function we create one alert box by method alert, and we pass one string hello java t point. Then close the function and close the script tag. Then we close head tag. Then we define body tag. Inside body tag we display one message, welcome to JavaScript. Next we create form, and inside form input type is button, so one button is displayed in our form. Then value of button is click, so click is the label of button, and on click message function is called. When you click on that button, the message function is called, which is already defined in script tag. Then we close form, then we close body tag, then we close HTML tag. The output of the above program is display like this. One browser is display, inside browser message is display welcome to JavaScript, and one button is display. When you click on button, the output is display like this. One alert box is display, inside alert box string is display hello java t point. So this is output of previous program. Then we see last type, that is third type, to create external JavaScript file. We can create external JavaScript file and embed it in many HTML pages. It provides code reusability because single JavaScript file can be used in several HTML pages. An external JavaScript file must be saved by .js extension. It is recommended to embed all JavaScript file into a single file, and it increase the speed of web pages. So in third way, we create two files. First file is JavaScript file and second one is HTML file. JavaScript file is saved by .js extension, and HTML file is stored by .html extension. So first JavaScript file is code for, we create one function msg. In function we create one alert box by method alert, and in alert we pass one string hello java t point. So this is JavaScript file. Second is HTML file. First we define HTML tag, then we define head tag. Inside head tag we define script tag. Type attributes value is text/JavaScript, and source attribute value is the name of the JavaScript file, that is message.js, and we close script tag. Then we close head tag, then we define body tag, then inside body tag we define one string welcome to JavaScript. Then we define one form. Inside form input type button, means one button is created with label click, so value is click, and on click message function is called, which is defined in JavaScript file. Then we close form tag, then we close body tag, and at last we close the HTML tag. So output of the code is, first we display one web browser, and inside web browser one string is display welcome to JavaScript, and one button is display. When you click on button, one alert box is display. So output is same but execution is different. Next we have some MCQs. First MCQ is, dash is the content type that provide information to the browser about the data. Options are script tag, second option document.write, third option text/JavaScript, and last option is all of this. Answer of this question is text/JavaScript is the content that provide information to browser about the data. Next question is, an external JavaScript file must be saved by dash dash extension. Options are .jsp, second option .js, third option .java, fourth option none of this. So answer of this question is .js. Third question is, we can put the JavaScript code into. Options are within body tag, second option within head tag, third option external JavaScript file, and last option all of this. So answer of this question is all of this. We can put the JavaScript code into within body tag, within HTML tag, head tag, and with external JavaScript file. Thank you.